Imagine a world plunged in darkness, void of colors, shapes and light. This is the unfortunate reality for many who lose their sight. Our vision is a precious gift, a key that unlocks the world around us in all its vibrant beauty and complexity. It guides us through everyday tasks, from the simplicity of pouring a cup of coffee to the complexity of driving a car. It allows us to witness the smiles of loved ones, the colors of a sunset, the words on a page. Without it, our perception of the world around us would be drastically and perhaps unimaginably different. Despite its importance, vision is often taken for granted. Yet it's a startling fact that globally, at least 2.5 billion people suffer from vision impairment or blindness, according to the World Health Organization. And a significant portion of these cases could have been prevented or treated. Neglecting eye health can lead to a variety of problems, some more serious than others. Common eye conditions like dry eye and digital eye strain can be bothersome, but they're often reversible with proper care. However, diseases like glaucoma, age-related macular degeneration, and diabetic retinopathy can lead to permanent vision loss if not caught and treated early. The consequences of vision loss can be severe, affecting not just one's physical health, but mental and emotional well-being too. It can limit independence, impede on daily activities, and can even lead to depression. In an era where screens have become nearly ubiquitous, our eyes are under more strain than ever before. It's easy to dismiss the risks, especially when symptoms of eye strain or disease often don't appear until damage has already been done. But the stakes are high, and the cost of neglect can be a price too steep to pay. We owe it to ourselves to prioritize our eye health, to take proactive steps in preserving our vision. After all, the world is a visual banquet, and we have been bestowed with the extraordinary ability to partake in it. Your eyes are your windows to the world. Guard them fiercely, protect them wisely. Our first line of defense? Regular eye examinations. Now, why are these so important? Well, they're not just about finding the right prescription for your glasses or contact lenses. Regular eye checkups can play a crucial role in detecting early signs of serious eye diseases before you even notice any symptoms. Think of conditions like glaucoma or age-related macular degeneration. These can creep up on you without any warning signs and gradually damage your vision. But if they're detected early during routine eye examinations, their progression can be slowed or even halted. So, how often should you schedule these eye checkups? Generally, adults should have a comprehensive eye exam every 1 to 2 years, depending on their age, risk factors, and whether they currently wear eyeglasses or contact lenses. Remember, your eye doctor has the training and the tools to see what you can't. An eye doctor can see what you can't. Regular eye checkups are pivotal in maintaining optimal vision. What you eat is what you see. This isn't just a catchy phrase. It's a reality that underscores the importance of a balanced diet for maintaining our eye health. It's the colorful fruits and vegetables, rich in antioxidants, that play a critical role here. Think of leafy greens like spinach and kale, packed with lutein and zeaxanthin. These naturally occurring pigments help shield your eyes from harmful blue light. Now, let's not forget about the power of citrus fruits and berries. These are your prime sources of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that can slow down the progression of age-related eye diseases. And of course, who can overlook the role of omega-3 fatty acids found in fish like salmon and tuna? They help maintain the health of the retina, the part of your eye that processes light. So the next time you're planning your meals, remember to include these eye-friendly foods. Remember, a healthy diet is a feast for your eyes. The sun, while essential for life, can be a silent thief of sight. Its invisible ultraviolet rays can lead to serious eye conditions such as cataracts and macular degeneration. Even brief exposure to intense sunlight can cause a temporary but distressing condition called photokeratitis, akin to sunburn of the eye. Here's how to shield your eyes from the sun's harmful rays. First, opt for sunglasses that block out 99 to 100% of both UVA and UVB radiation. Wraparound styles offer the best protection as they prevent UV rays from entering from the side. Next, wear a wide-brimmed hat or cap. It provides additional protection by reducing the amount of sunlight that enters from above or around the edges of your sunglasses. And remember, the sun's rays are strongest between 10 in the morning and 2 in the afternoon, so it's best to avoid direct sunlight during these hours. Arm your eyes against the sun with protection and keep your vision bright. In a digital world, our screens can be our worst enemies. We're living in an era where technology is king, and our eyes are the loyal subjects, constantly subjected to the harsh light of our screens, be it your smartphone, your work computer, or your late-night binge-watching companion. The television, these screens are serving up a feast of digital strain for your eyes. Prolonged screen time can lead to dryness, blurred vision, headaches, and even long-term damage like macular degeneration. The culprit? The high-energy visible light, also known as blue light, emitted by these screens. But don't despair, there are ways to combat this. Firstly, practice the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break and look at something 20 feet away. This gives your eyes a much-needed break from the screen. Secondly, adjust your screen's brightness and color temperature to be in sync with your surroundings. Finally, consider using blue light filtering glasses when working on screens for extended periods. Control your screens. Don't let them control your vision. Exercise is not just for your body, but also for your eyes. Now you might be thinking, how does that work? Well, let's delve into it. By engaging in regular physical activity, you're doing more than just toning your abs or strengthening your heart. You're also helping to keep your eyes in top shape. Exercise improves blood circulation, which increases oxygen levels to the eyes and aids in the removal of toxins. This can help to prevent conditions that can lead to vision loss, such as high blood pressure, diabetes, and even glaucoma. Staying active doesn't necessarily mean you have to run a marathon or bench press your body weight. Even a brisk walk around the neighborhood or a quick dance session in your living room can do wonders for your overall health. And yes, that includes your eyes too. So the next time you're feeling a little sluggish, remember, your eyes need their workout as well. Stay active to keep your eyes sparkling with health. Your eyes too need a break. Just like the rest of your body, they function best when well hydrated and rested. Hydration is key not only to your overall health, but specifically to your eyes. Drinking plenty of water helps maintain the natural tear production, preventing dryness and irritation. But what about rest? Let's talk about the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break and look at something 20 feet away. This simple habit can help prevent eye strain, especially for those of us who spend hours on digital screens. And don't forget the magic of sleep. A good night's rest is an elixir for your eyes, giving them the much-needed downtime to repair and rejuvenate. Lastly, remember to blink. It sounds simple, but blinking helps to keep your eyes fresh and reduces eye strain. Quench your eyes with rest and hydration, and they will thank you with clear vision. Smoke is a veil that clouds your vision. Let's talk about how smoking can have a serious impact on your eye health. We all know that smoking is harmful to our lungs, but did you know it's also a leading cause of vision loss? Smoking tobacco exposes your eyes to high levels of oxidative stress. While the smoke can irritate your eyes and cause dryness, it's the toxins that do the most damage. They can lead to the development of macular degeneration, the leading cause of blindness in adults over the age of 55. Cataracts are also more common in smokers. These are conditions that rob you of your sight gradually and relentlessly. But let's focus on the positive. It's never too late to quit smoking. Doing so will not only benefit your lungs, but also reduce the risk of developing these eye conditions. Kick the habit and clear the smoke from your vision. Your eyes are precious. Shield them. Now we're on to our final tip, wearing safety eyewear. Picture this. You're chopping onions for dinner or hammering a nail into a wall, and suddenly a tiny fragment ricochets towards your eye. Ouch! That's a scenario we'd all like to avoid. And that's where safety eyewear comes in. Available in various types and styles, safety eyewear provides a physical barrier between your eyes and potential threats. It's not just for construction workers or scientists in a lab. Whether you're doing a bit of DIY at home, playing a high-speed sport, or even gardening, safety eyewear should be your go-to. You have options. Safety glasses, goggles, face shields, or even full-face respirators for extreme conditions, each designed to protect your eyes from different hazards. So next time you're about to embark on a risky activity, remember to don your eyewear. In the battlefield of life, let safety eyewear be your eye's armor. In a nutshell, your eyes deserve your care and attention. Let's recap the 8 vital tips we've discussed today. First, never underestimate the value of regular eye checkups. They are your first line of defense against potential eye diseases. Second, maintain a balanced diet rich in vitamins and nutrients essential for optimal eye health. Third, always protect your eyes from harmful solar radiation. Fourth, limit your screen time. Your eyes need a break too. Don't forget to blink and follow the 20-20-20 rule. Fifth, keep your body active. Regular exercise can significantly reduce your risk of developing vision problems. Sixth, hydrate and rest your eyes. They work tirelessly for you, so give them the rest they need. Seventh, quit smoking. It's not just your lungs at stake, but your sight as well. Lastly, always wear safety eyewear when necessary. Your vision is your most treasured possession. Protect it, cherish it, and see the world in all its glory.